Hello, Ms. Pida and friends. In this video, we will give an example of morphology process that we found in daily life. First of all, our group member is Valena Alda, Gabriel Corin, myself, Anderson Pilar, and the last Aurelia Kusuma. First process will be explained by Aurel.
Okay, the first example is affixation. So affixation is a process of adding an affix. And in affix, there are three types of affixes. The first one is prefix, suffix, and infix. And in the example, the word kindly is a suffix because the affix is attached at the end of the base. And the second morphology process is inflection. Well, inflection is process of changing a word, but in grammatical form. And that process doesn't change the word's meaning and also the word class. For example, this word, packaging. So the original word is package, then that word is already add ing, and that word changed in grammatical terms. Next.
Next on is compounding. Compound words are formed when two or more words join together to create a new word, new meaning, also new word class. The meaning of the word body shop, which is a British cosmetics, skincare, and perfume company, and it comes from two words, body and shop. These two words make a new word which is body shop. And body shop is a type of endocentric because the whole compound meaning is obvious. The other example is moonstone. Moonstone means that the stone is linked with the energy of the moon. It comes from two words, moon and stone. And this word also endocentric. Next is masterpiece. Masterpiece is the greatest work in the career of an artist or group. And it comes from two words, master and piece. Master is adjective and piece is a noun. Then they become one word that is in noun form. A masterpiece is a type of endocentric. Next.
The next is cliticization. Cliticization is a process of reducing the form of a free morpheme and cannot stand alone. Therefore, it must be attached another word to complete it. The example is the word I will become I'll. So will is reduced to clitic, double L, and must be attached I, and then become I'll. And the word of I'll is a type of enclitics because the clitics attached at the end of the preceding word. Next.
Next on is clipping. Clipping is the process that shortens a word by deleting one or more syllables. From this example, the word corpse is an abbreviation for corporation and corporal. For the state, it means corporation of yard. You can read there, yard corpse. Next.
Okay, next is an acronym. An acronym is the result of several words which are then abbreviated to form one short word. As we can see in the picture, there is an example of an acronym. In the middle of the football jersey, there is a word written UNICEF. UNICEF is actually an acronym because UNICEF stands for United Nations International Children's Emergency Funds. Next. And next is blending. Blending is the process that creates words from non-morphemic parts of two already existing items, usually the first part of one and the final part of the other. In the picture, there is an example of blending. There is the written Polres. Polres comes from two words, policy within police and resort. And it's similar like compounding, but the difference is you just take some of the words to make it become one word, like porous.
And here, next, we have compounding. We have the example good feature. Compounding is the process of combining two words to create a new word. And here we have the example good feature. It comes from an adjective good and compound with a noun. It is feature. It means like someone or something that is promising seems like to have a good or successful in the future. And then we have initialism. In here, we have the example LED. First, initialism is a word made from the first letters of each word in a phrase. The picture here is an example of the initialism process. LED stands from light emitting diode. LEDs are used for a number of lighting applications and are available across the spectrum or visible, infrared, and ultraviolet light. And that's all from us. Does anyone have any question? Just don't hesitate to ask us. Thank you and see you.